Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I have Lenovo ThinkPad T490. Probably you remember this laptop from one of my previous videos when I did an upgrade by replacing the SSD drive. The battery on this laptop isn't in perfect shape. After all, this is a model that was released on the market 5 years ago. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on ThinkPad T490.
The exact model of the battery is L18M3P73. It's compatible with a range of Lenovo ThinkPads, starting from T490 that I have, 495 with AMD CPU, also compatible with T14 Generation 1 and Generation 2, as well as P14s Generation 1 and 2. I think it's also compatible with ThinkPad P43s. However, beware, it's not compatible with T14s. It's compatible with T14, but not with T14s.
There is an advanced feature on ThinkPad laptops which allow you to disable the built-in battery from the BIOS settings. This is done for safety purposes, and I highly recommend you to do it before opening the laptop and replacing the battery.
Turn on your laptop and quickly hit the Enter button. After that, from the menu, hit F1 to enter the BIOS setup utility. Once you are in the BIOS, using the arrow keys on your keyboard, go to the Config tab and select Power. There, from the list, the last option is to disable the built-in battery. Beware, after disabling the built-in battery, it will automatically enable as soon as you plug a power supply. When you hit Disable built-in battery and confirm, the laptop will turn off. And now it's safe to proceed with the replacement of the battery. As expected, the battery is on the back of the laptop, which means that we have to remove the back cover of the base. For this, I have to unscrew the 6 screws, and after that, gently remove the back cover from the main part and the main chassis of the laptop. As you can see in the video, I'm using a plastic card to disassemble the two parts. After successfully removing the back cover, you can see the system board of the laptop and the battery. Now it's time for the actual and interesting work. The first step is to remove the old battery. There are 4 M2 screws that hold the battery to the chassis of the laptop. The next step is to carefully remove the cable that connects the battery to the system board of the laptop. After that, I can gently pull out the battery of the laptop and put the new one in. Here is the new battery. Well, it's not actually new, it's a recycled battery from Lenovo ThinkPad T14, but as I said at the beginning of the video, this battery model is compatible for both T14 Generation 1 and 2, as well as T490, the laptop that I'm repairing right now in this video. I carefully placed the new battery on the right spot, and after that I plugged the cable that connects the battery to the system board. Finally, I screwed the 4 M2 screws to hold the battery to the chassis of the laptop. As you have seen in this video, the replacement of the battery is a straightforward and relatively simple process. I think anyone with a screwdriver can do it if he's capable of following these exact steps carefully. One more thing, I have to put back the cover of the laptop. So with the magic of video editing, we can fast forward and I can show you the assembly process in a few seconds. Let's test the battery. As you remember at the beginning of the video, I disabled the built-in battery from the BIOS settings. Now, if I plug a power supply like I'm doing right now, this built-in battery will be automatically enabled. Hit the power button to turn on the computer. Quickly press the Enter key on the keyboard. From the menu, select F10 to diagnose the hardware. This is another advanced feature that I really love about ThinkPads. This way you can diagnose the hardware. There are multiple different tests. In this particular video, I'm going to test only the battery because this is the only thing that I've changed. As you can see, the battery is fine and all tests have passed successfully. If you have seen my previous videos, you know that I'm an open source enthusiast and I use Ubuntu on pretty much all my laptops. This is the case on this Lenovo ThinkPad T490. Here is a quick look at the battery status from the settings in GNOME in Ubuntu 24.04.
That's it. I have a new battery on this old Lenovo ThinkPad T490 laptop. And if you have the same laptop with a battery that's not performing that well or it's completely dead, consider replacing it using the steps that I've just showed you. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this type of content or if you're interested in open source technologies and embedded Linux for single board computers such as Raspberry Pi, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for new videos. See you soon.